Hi, Sylvain from Mancuso Clinic, and today I want to talk about 3 tips to follow for holistic approach about health. For a quick background, I'm the owner of Mancuso Clinic. I'm an osteopath, a French physiotherapist, and my main goal as a therapist was always try to understand the pain or the patient from the head to the toe because everything is related. But when we do that, often we need to go deeper and try to understand a little bit more than just the symptom. And this video is going to try to help you with 3 easy tips, or not easy tip, but 3 field that you can improve yourself about um, improving your health. And it's a holistic approach because we are going to see that it's not only nutrition or not only physical activity or a mindset or stretching or exercise or anything. It's really the melting pot of different small things that you can change in your everyday that make the difference. To improve your health, you need to understand that everything works together. Then inside and the outside, we talk about the mind body for years. We are thinking that mind body was something that was not real, but now we understood that what you think can change how your cells are working with the epigenetics. We could spend hours on this, but just think that when you think something, it could change how your body is going to react and how it's going to act too. Why have importance of this holistic approach? It's because there is no solution or there is no one thing you can do to fix everything. It's often a little bit of nutrition, a little bit of exercise, a little bit of stretching, a little bit of posture, maybe go to see a therapist. All that together will help you to feel better. There is no, I'm an osteopath, and so often people say, oh, you have magic hands. Nothing with that. Is nothing to do with magic hands, is a teamwork. Because at Mancuso Clinic, for example, we have a specific program called Path to Recovery. And in this program, we work with osteopath, chiropractor, massage therapist, nutritionist to really, one, help you on the pain side, because often patients are coming for pain, but at the same time, help you to stay healthy and keep you healthy because it's a teamwork who is going to make the difference. The first things I'm going to talk about the holistic approach and what you can do in your everyday life is nutrition. Why nutrition? Because depending what you eat, it can change a lot of things. One, you can eat um, some food can increase the inflammation, like processed food, dairy product, or sugar is going to increase the inflammation. Then, if you do everything you want on the stretching or on the therapy side, and you eat not correctly, is going to improve the risk of inflammation in the body. It's why have a balanced diet, avoiding processed food, can make a huge difference in your health. I have patients coming at the clinic, and when we talk about nutrition, and I say, okay, which type do you drink every day, or what type of food or what type of diet do you follow? They understood that they can do everything they want, but because their diet is really not really bad, but there is something they eat that doesn't help, the information is there, and we can do everything we want in session because they don't eat correctly. The pain will stay because we need to think about nutrition when we want to help people, and it's the first step you can take to improve nutrition is think about anti-inflammatory diet and reduce your intake on processed food, dairy product, and sugar. The second one is stay mobile. Why exercise is important? I think it's important on two fields. The first one is on the physical side, stretching, moving, do simple exercise like walking. It's really good. There is some study recently that say that the best way to treat back pain was to walk because it's a gentle movement, it's improving the blood flow in the body, is helping you to be less tight and at the same time improve the ability of the muscle to be stronger, then you are going to be able to keep your body in the right position. Simple exercise like yoga, Pilates, again, walking can help you to really improve your physical health. At the same time, try to avoid if you have any joint issue or this type of things, you can do really low impact exercise. Often people come to see me and say, okay, I don't have the time to do exercise. I'm busy, I'm running every day, it's really hard. And a simple tip I gave to the patient is stacking habits. Do something that do something, add something that you already doing uh, with what you want to add in your everyday life. For example, if you have the habit to listen at podcast, or you can walk and listen at your podcast, or when you park your car, don't park your car close to the entry, but far on the parking lot to just walk a little bit. Don't take the elevator, take the stairs. Um, all this, when you want to take your coffee break, uh, let's go for a walk for your coffee break. Just adding some exercise on what you already do is not going to push you to do more, but just adding some exercise in your everyday. It's good to walk 30 minutes a day, but if you can't do it because your schedule is busy, you can do 10, 10, 10 or 15, 15. But at least integrating some movement in your everyday life can make a huge difference. The third pillar of holistic health and something that you can do is think about your mental health. When you do exercise, it's improving the mental health. There is a lot of study which show that simple exercise can help you to reduce your stress, helping you to feel better. Because again, if we talk like we talked at the beginning about epigenetics, what you are going to think, what you think is going to change how your body is going to function. And be careful and be aware about your mental health. When you think about holistic approach about health, it's really important. Easy things to do. You do some mindfulness meditation. It's not for everyone, but there is a lot of different school about meditation. Try to find the one who is fitting your way to think to help you to do some meditation. Take time for you. Another simple exercise to do is journaling. Do some journaling will help you to take time for you, reflect on yourself. And again, you don't need to add that to something. You can just integrate that in your everyday life. You can do some meditation when you take your coffee, for example, or you can do some journaling when you go to work if you don't drive and you are in the subway or this type of things. Again, don't need to add something on your busy schedule. Just try to integrate that in your everyday life. Just to recap about a holistic approach about health, and it's exactly what we do at Mancuso Clinic. We are looking with nutrition, mindset coaching, and physical work with chiro, massage, and osteo. And the result with our patient is huge. And begin to have this habit to integrate the three things about nutrition, mindset, and physical exercise just a little bit. You don't need to change everything. You don't need to go to the gym, or you don't need to change your everyday life, because often when you do too much things, you can't follow. It's why do small change will make a difference on the long run. If you have any question about holistic approach about health, you can reach out to us at mancusoclinic.com. We offer free evaluation for to understand why you have the pain and really tailor-made your treatment and have the best result with you. Again, if you have any question, you can just contact us at mancusoclinic.com and have a great day.